Good afternoon, I'm Jarvis Hunt from Wayner Global, and today I'm going to show you how to replace the control board on your Greystone Fireplace. Here are some tools that you'll need to replace the circuit board, control panel, and your blower motor in your Greystone Fireplace. First thing you'll need to do is remove your fireplace from the cabinet it's installed in. Once it's removed, put it on a steady surface, and you're going to need to remove the back panel. You're going to have to remove your top panel. And to remove the control board here, you need to remove this little panel here. And there's two screws up underneath here on the front. And then your panel will come out. Remove two more screws here, holding it into the... And then you'll have three screws here that removes the circuit board from the button panel. And then it'll be disconnected down here to your circuit board and replaced your touch panel.